get straight into this Fashion Nova try on haul, y'all. These are some of the items that I'm going to be wearing for my birthday. So let's go ahead and get into outfit number one. So the first outfit that I have is going to be like my casual daytime look. So the first item that I have are a pair of cargo pants. These are the Had You Fooled Tree Camo pants, and I have a size medium. I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys. But I love the detailing on these pants. You have, of course, your traditional like pockets on the sides, but then it also has this cute zipper detailing all the way to the bottom of the pants. And I want to say you can actually unzip it. So the zipper, you can actually unzip it all the way up to the top, and it's just, it opens up the pants leg even more. So this is what it kind of looks like opened all the way up, but I am going to keep them zipped for the look. So these are the pants. I'm going to go ahead and put the pants on and then show you guys what top that I have to go with these pants. So I have the pants on, and this is the top that I got to go with it. It's a bodysuit, one sleeve off the shoulder, and this is called the Zoe one shoulder bodysuit. I also got this in a size medium as well, so both of these items are going to be in a size medium. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the bodysuit with the pants. So I have on the shirt and the pants. I am going to zoom out so you guys can see the whole entire look. And with this outfit, I love that this one can be so versatile. We can either dress it up or dress it down. So I will show you guys the different options with this look. And I do like how this particular bodysuit, it has the snaps in the middle. So with me, I love bodysuits, but I don't like having to actually wear them the way that they're intended to. So I never snap them in the middle. I don't know, that's just like, I just feel weird doing the whole snapping thing. But anyways, I do have a medium. It's definitely true to size. So I probably could have gotten a large, but they didn't have a large in this particular color. And of course, I mean, we had to match the nails. So I'm gonna stop rambling and show you guys the accessories with your two different options for casual and dressing it up. Outfit number one, we are going to move on to outfit number two. This one is definitely giving a little bit more of a classy birthday dinner vibe. So let's get into outfit number two. So this is the second outfit. This is the Leah Midi sweater dress. I have this one in the size medium as well. This one fits true to size. I love the material. It's super thick, but it's not like hot, nice and comfortable. And the shoes that I have on are some strappy heels that I've already had. I will show you guys this dress with the actual heels that I got from Fashion Nova, but I was thinking of a more of an open-toed look. But you guys let me know down below in the comments, are we feeling the open-toed shoes or the closed-toed shoes with this particular dress? But yes, this is the Leah Midi dress, and I'm gonna show you guys a full-length view of this dress. She is stopping a little bit past my knees, so that's that midi length, not too long, not too short, just right there in the middle. So yes, I am loving how this one is fitting, nice and comfortable. And I definitely like that it's fitting very good around the shoulder area. Sometimes I get shoulder dresses and I feel like I have to keep adjusting it, but with this one, it's fitting nice and perfectly around the shoulders. So let's go ahead and get into the details of Miss Leah. So here's the final outfit. It is a nice midi dress, mini dress. This is the Vibes on Vibes one shoulder dress in the color red. I do have this dress in a size large. I do also have this dress in the color black in a size medium. So I will say it is true to size. It does hug the body in all the right places. The material is definitely nice and soft, and it's not too thick. Very breathable, very comfortable. And I will say I do have a little bit more room in the large versus the medium. And I will show you guys my accessories and my shoes with this look. But yeah, y'all, this is probably one of my favorite pieces that I picked up in this Fashion Nova haul. So you guys let me know down below in the comments which one of these looks is your favorite. How would you accessorize it? Y'all definitely let me know. But let's go ahead and get into the full look of this dress. That is all that I have for this Fashion Nova try on haul. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.